Recently, the Union Minister said that India's dedicated Antrich Venture Capital Fund for the space sector has progressed steadily, with invest in selected startups expected to begin from the first quarter of financial year 2027. About Antrich Venture Capital Fund. It is a closed-ended fund registered with the Securities and Exchange Board of India as a Category 2 alternative investment fund. It is a SEBI registered alternative investment fund. Key investor Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center, Department of Space, Government of India. The fund is sponsored by SIDBI Venture Capital Limited. The fund's investment objective to provide much needed capital to companies in the space sector at various stages of development, as well as support the scaling of operations and the commercialization of new technologies, empowering the companies to contribute to India's broader space ambition. It is looking to invest exclusively in Indian companies operating in the space sector with technology readiness level of 4 and above. Key facts about Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center. It is a single window independent nodal agency that functions as an autonomous agency in the Department of Space. It is formed following the space sector reforms to enable and facilitate the participation of private players. Function. It is responsible to promote, enable, authorize, and supervise various space activities of non-governmental entities, including building launch vehicles and satellites and providing space-based services, sharing space infrastructure and premises under the control of Department of Space, Indian Space Research Organisation, and establishing of new space infrastructure and facilities. The agency acts as an interface between ISRO and NGEs and assesses how to utilize India's space resources better and increase space-based activities. Three directorates: Promotion Directorate (PD), Technical Directorate (TD), and Program Management and Authorization Directorate (PMAD) are carrying out the function of in space.